All right, I'm going to call this video Flash Rust. Don't do this at all. What you have is a number 8, 10 5/8 inch chicken fryer, Century Series BSR with the matching lid. When I first got these, they were really rusty. They really didn't have a whole lot of seasoning on them that needed to come off. So it went straight into my electrolysis tank. You can see this one is pitted pretty bad on the inside. However, it's going to work really good for its intended purpose for like deep frying chicken or pork chops, or maybe making stews or something in it. So it didn't have to have a super smooth bottom. But what I tried is these went straight into my electrolysis tank, and I checked on them after 24 hours, cleaned them. That's what I'm doing today. You can see that's why my hands are so trashy dirty. But I think these took 48 hours to get to the point where I liked them. Scrubbing them with Brillo pads, working off any seasoning and any remaining rust. But then when you get them clean, you got choices. You can either season them to protect them, or what I do is, if I'm not ready to season them, I put them in my lye tank. They can stay in there for months and you don't have to worry about it. It's not going to rust. It's not going to eat away at your cast iron. But my lye tank is full of cast iron right now that I'll be working on today. So I tried something different, which was my normal cleaning with Brillo and cold water. And as soon as I did that, I dried the surface really well as best as I could, and then stuck it in a 200-degree oven that was already preheated, thinking that perhaps that oven temperature would push the moisture off before it had a chance to flash rust. And as you can see, that was a no-go. This, especially the inside of this pan, rusted something terrible. And that's just from being stripped to nothing, and within 24 hours, that's what happened. So don't do like Mike. Either season your pan right away, or have a lye bath, or wait until there's a better time for you to clean your cast iron. But this cast iron skillet chicken fryer is going to be a really nice set once it's done. So it's going back in the E-tank to get all this rust off that I let flash rust on there. Check back to see how it turns out.